Hello everyone, I invite you to the Friday cryptocurrency review. Let's start by checking the current situation on the BTC to USDT pair, taking into account the time interval of 1 hour. First, we will use the blue lines to mark the downward channel from which the price went up at the uptrend line. But now we can mark the local channel in which the price dynamically went down. In order to determine price support, we will lay out the trend-based fib extension grid, and we see that price has gone down to $25,801 support. Then we have a strong support at $25,525, and then a third very strong support at $25,157. Looking the other way, we can determine the places of resistance in a similar way. We will first mark resistance at $26,210. Once it is broken, the price has a resistance zone from $26,430 to $26,603 on its way, and when it manages to break above this zone, the price will have to break through the resistance at $26,776. When we turn on the EMA cross 10 and 30, we see a place of a strong price drop where the red line of the EMA cross 10 crossed the green line from above, which confirmed the return to the downtrend. Please pay attention to the CHOP index, which indicates that most of the energy in this downward move has been used up. The RSI also has a rebound to the lower part of the range, while the stock indicator indicates that the energy in this move is exhausted, which may stop the price falling further. As the second chart in today's review, we'll be looking at ETH versus USDT, also on a 1-hour time frame. As we can see, the price is moving along the local downtrend line. Now let's move on to marking the places of support. We will use the fib retracement tool to mark the supports, and as you can see, we first have a support range from $1,628 to $1,601. A second support at $1,573. A third at $1,533, and then we have a strong support at $1,483. Looking the other way, we can also mark the places where the price should encounter resistance on the way to increases. And here the price faces a strong resistance zone from $1,685 to $1,712. And when we break above this zone, ETH has to break the resistance at $1,747. When we turn on the EMA cross 10 and 30, we can see that the red line of the EMA cross 10 is approaching to intersect the green lines of the EMA cross 30 from below, indicating a return to the local uptrend. The CHOP index indicates that there is more and more energy in the current movement. On the RSI indicator, we have a visible increase with room for the price to go a little higher. while the stock indicator also indicates that we can see the price increase. As the third, we will check the BNB chart on a 4-hour interval. Let's start with the blue lines marking the uptrend channel from which the price exited at the bottom. And the price drop after leaving the channel was as much as the height of the presented channel. Locally, we can mark with a yellow line, the downtrend line under which the price is moving. Let's start by marking the support spots for the price, and we see that we first have support at $205, but if the price goes lower, we have another support at $196, then at $189, and another support at $183. Looking the other way, we can similarly determine the places of resistance that the price has to face. And here we see that the price is currently fighting resistance at $219. Next is resistance at $224, third resistance at $228. Then price needs to break through the strong resistance zone from $236 to $244. The CHOP index indicates that the collected energy is used to increase the price. On the RSI, we have a visible increase. Although there is room for the price to go higher, it is worth paying attention to the stock indicator, which indicates that the energy is running out, which may bring a rebound after this increase. Last in today's chart is the XRP versus USDT chart on a 4-hour time frame. First, we will use the blue lines to mark the downtrend channel where the price is moving in the upper range. Moving on, we can move on to marking support areas when we start a larger correction. However, here, after unfolding the fib retracement grid, we see that the price is holding a strong support zone from 55 cents to 46 cents. Looking the other way, we can mark two resistance zones, the first zone from 58 cents to 63 cents. And then we have the second resistance zone from 69 cents to 76 cents. Only when we manage to overcome them we can move towards resistance at 85 cents. When we turn on the EMA cross 200, we see that the price quickly returned to the blue line of the moving average 200, which indicates a quick return to the downtrend. On the CHOP index, we can see that there is a lot of energy for the upcoming move. On the RSI, we have a rebound and sideways movement around the middle of the range. While the stock indicator starts to turn around, which may indicate a price increase in the coming hours. Technical analysis is provided by a third party and for informational purposes only. It does not reflect the views of CryptoDaily, nor is it intended to be used as legal, tax, investment, or financial advice.